we're going to cover vehicle data down here. If you notice, there's a world icon. So what that means is when I click on this tab, this requires internet. And as I said earlier, it's this one and the 4 down below that require internet. So we're going to click vehicle data. So once I do that, then it brings me to all the information on the vehicle. So if I want a belt routing, that's here. This is going to be the belt routing for this engine. When I click on it, it'll open up the bigger. I can print these off. I can save these as PDF, attach them to emails. You can take a picture with your phone and text it. Anything is possible. You can even screenshot these. If you notice this camera, you can screenshot it and you can add it to your diagnostic reports, because as we are going, it's adding the information. You can build your diagnostic report however you want. But as you scroll down, this is more and more information. So if you need valve adjustment or liner height information, cooling system information, if you need a torque spec for a cylinder head, that's down here, the sequence and the stage. And anytime you see these pictures like before, you can click on them, you can print them, you can attach them, you can do anything. Here's your fluid capacities. You also have repair times. So if I click on that, your repair times will be right here. All you simply do if you want to do a belt replacement and a belt tensioner is check the box. We're also going to do a seat lumbar replacement and a seat spring. It's building. So if you want to see down here, you got 2.5 hours in those 4, but it's building a report. Yeah. So it lays it out like this and puts it all in here, total time. Now you can add customer's name and everything else to this, and you can print it and then hand it to the customer or save it for your records, either one. But that is vehicle data.